not include the cost of textbooks, which have tripled over the past decade. Colleges are now charging $200 for each single textbook that has no resale value because they put out new, slightly revised versions with a new name each year. The textbook publishers are even colluding with college bookstores to make custom textbooks so that students can't save money by buying them online. Colleges are getting kickbacks from publishers in order to destroy the used textbook market, which by itself is proof enough that college administrators are only interested in lining their own pockets and have no interest in helping their students.
Understand that people who try to maintain empires and create empires do it by manipulating the people they're trying to conquer.
You might want to ask yourself why the entire culture is utterly saturated with mass media entertainment from all sides, while the educational system in America continues its stupefying downward slide since the U.S. government decided to take over and subsidize the public school system.
What your government pays for, it gets. When we understand that, then we look at government-financed institutions of education and see the kind of students and the kind of education that's being turned out by these government-financed schools. Logic will tell you that if what is being turned out in those schools was not in accord with what the state and the federal government wanted, then it would change it. The bottom line is that the government is getting what they have ordered. They do not want your children to be educated. They do not want you to think too much.
a method to their madness. There's really not much method to yours, because you're operating from a place of ignorance, and until you change that, you're going to be bumbling around, bumping into each other, saying and doing the wrong things, not understanding the nature of your enemy. And if you don't understand the nature of your enemy and the weapons they use, you cannot fight that enemy. You can't fight the battle. You shouldn't even be on the battlefield.
But not for Islamic modernism. I don't know whether you ever met it. A strange creature called Islamic modernism. Islamic modernism, an attempt to reinterpret the religion, to subject Islam to a progressive interpretation, so that it can fit in with the modern world. But in addition to this, there's also something else strange happening. And that is the confirmation of the hadith. The Prophet said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and you take this hadith home with you tonight, as you ponder the issues. He said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, بدأ الإسلام غريبا وسيعود غريبا. When Islam began, it was something strange and therefore different from everything else in the world. And Islam will one day return to that state of being something strange and different from everything else in the world. And we are now living in that age in which Islam, not part-time Islam. No. We're talking about Islam of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. That Islam. That Islam is becoming something stranger and stranger. Something different from the rest of the world. Different from that globalized political order. Different from that globalized world economy. Different from that globalized culture or way of life. What it implies is that one people, namely Gog and Magog, one people are going to succeed in getting all of mankind, illa ma sha Allah, all of mankind to follow them instead of Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, to imitate them, to become carbon copies of them. So even while a man says he's a Muslim, and now one says he's a Hindu, and now one says he's a Christian, and now one says he's a Jew, in fact, they're only holding on to their rice husk. When they say they're Muslim or Hindu or Christian or Jew, they have effectively joined the Jamaat. That is the global society, the universal society of a people called Gog and Magog.
In fact, they have done so for centuries. From the shadows, they have engineered every major war, revolution and recession. They control everything you read, everything you hear, and everything you see. They have managed to indoctrinate an entire populace to their way of thinking, and have infiltrated key positions in places of authority. And it is from the shadows they have created a new political order, a new economical and sinister, a new religion.